In this video, I'm gonna talk about 6 ways you can make money online as a freelancer. So let's get started. First one is Upwork. Upwork is a website where you can go as a freelancer and find work. So you can see there are many categories: web, mobile, and software developer, design and creative writing, sales and marketing, and many more. So what you need to do is you need to sign up with your email account, and then once you have signed up, the site looks like this. So what you need to do is find work, okay? And these are the works you'll find. So just click one of the titles and read the descriptions. If you think this work is for you, you can submit a proposal. Read the details, fill the rate, and you have to write a cover letter and submit a proposal. So this is how Upwork works. It takes time, but if you keep submitting proposal, one day you'll get the job, and if you get one job done, then there's a high chance of getting another work. Okay, that's how this kind of websites work. So next one is Fiverr. Fiverr is quite similar to Upwork, but it's a bit different. Here what you need to do is first join with your email account. Once you have joined, you'll get a dashboard like this, and what you need to do is you need to go to gigs and create a new gig. So you need to say specifically what you are going to do. So I will is selected by default, and you have to fill in the blank. Suppose I will sing a song for you, something like that. Okay, and then you'll need to select the category and use some tags. So this is how you can create a gig, and once you have created a gig, your gig will look like one of these, and people will click the gig, and if they like the gig, they will offer you a work. Okay, so this is how Fiverr works. So next one is DesignCrowd. DesignCrowd is also for freelancers, but it's a bit different because it's about contest or competition. You just need to register with your email address, and once you have registered, the site looks like this, and you can go to jobs and find any of these jobs. Let's say logo design. So these are the jobs. You can see the price here. So you can click one of these and read the description. Once you read the brief and you feel like you can do the job, what you need to do is submit your design. So I've already told you that it's a contest, okay? You need to submit your design, and many others are going to submit their design, and among those designs, the employer gonna choose one design, and if your design is selected, you win this prize. So this is a site where you compete with others. So if you win the contest again and again, you're gonna earn more and more. So that's how DesignCrowd works. There are lots of other sites like DesignCrowd, but here in this video, I'm just mentioning this site. Next one is Adobe Stock. So this is a stock image site. Not just image, you can sell image, audio, video, illustrations, whatever you want to. So how it works is you need to sign in, and you can go to sell, and once you have signed up and you go to the sell page, it looks like this, and I've already uploaded some images, as you can see. So these are the number of downloads. Downloads mean sales you have made. Okay, what you can do is upload image, and once you have uploaded your image, and once Adobe has accepted your image or approved your image is there for sale. So the more sales you make, the more money you make. So keep uploading images. It can be photography, it can be an illustration, and if you are good at making musical tracks, you can also upload your audio files. You can also upload videos if you have good video footages. So this way you can earn recurring income from this Adobe Stock site. So this is very good for photographers, artists, and music producers. This can be a good source of income. It takes time because first of all you need to upload many files, many images, many illustrations, and once you are noticed by the viewers, then you'll get more traffic and you'll get more income. Another one is Deviant Art. It's quite similar to Adobe Stock, but it's a bit different because it's especially for artists. So you need to join first with your email address and all those informations. Once you have joined, it looks like this, and what you need to do is submit, and what you need to submit is deviation. You need to go to deviation and upload your artwork. Once you have uploaded your artwork, you can write some descriptions, you can add tags, and you can choose whether you want to keep it for free downloads or you want to sell downloads. Okay, so you can make money from this. You can also just create portfolio. If you don't want to make money instantly, you can create your portfolio, and you can make your portfolio strong first and then start selling. Or otherwise you can sell the prints of your artwork. Okay, and you can also sell your downloads. So this is how Deviant Art works. It's especially for artists and especially for digital artists. You can also sell the print of your traditional art, but as the digital arts have better quality in terms of pixels, it's better if you are a digital artist and you have a good chance of earning more money. So that's how Deviant Art works. Next one is Redbubble. So Redbubble is a site where you can sell something what we call print on demand. Okay, it's for t-shirt, masks, and other many products which are sold as print on demand. So what is print on demand? I'm gonna explain. Okay, so first what you need to do is sign up to this website and you can sell your art. Once you have signed up, you can go to your account and add new work. So what you need to do is you need to upload one of your designs, and once you have uploaded your design or artwork, you can give it a title, you can add tags, and you can write some description. And what you need to do is you need to select these products: t-shirts, frames, cushions, covers, mugs, bags. There are a lot of products where you can add your design to. So what happens is once you have created your product, you can save work, and how it works is people gonna see the product, they're gonna click buy, and when they click buy, your design is selected by Redbubble, and the Redbubble team will print the product. Okay, if the buyer selects t-shirt, then Redbubble is going to print this design or this piece of artwork on a t-shirt, and they're going to ship that t-shirt to the buyer. You don't need to do anything, you just need to create these designs and upload on Redbubble. So these are the ways you can make money online as a freelancer. Some of these can take a long time, so you need to be patient first. So if you are a freelancer, you might be aware of the fact that first you need to build up your portfolio, you need to get more clients, and then you'll start earning more and more money. So keep patience and keep uploading your works on these sites, or like in Upwork you can submit proposal and get work, or like in DesignCrowd you can participate in a contest and win prizes. So this is how you can make money online as a freelancer. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, click like and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll be coming up with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.